Good morning. The following presentation is intended to give a little more information about IT services management. My name is John Frederico Chavez, and my partner is Edwin Santiago Valero. What it is, the IT services management. Primarily, the ET services management in the text future of ET services management of trends and the periodics every year Apple's wide new alternatives and working tools for the ECT sector. The ET services management establishes a better corporate order with global adaptability. These advances to the forefront the wide different status of new ETs linked to the EA. Okay. And the question is, what it is ET services management? One, ET is of world-class strategy to management. ECT is information and communication technology as business wide the business ET services management methodology is a customer focus and services oriented methodology. And the second, the suggestion for its implementation, libraries found having problem global best practices in the delivery of ECT services. So, to the implementation of the ET services management strategy is wide the implementation of best practice recommend BETEL is information technology infrastructure library. Okay. In the features, for one features is improved ET support. In improved ET support, ET simply shows the upgrade to external customer functions and for internal customer. This will lead to the better responder solutions, to providing better alternatives to work more effectively and with better response to customers, which will allow ET to provide deeper support for the problems that cannot be solved with self-help. Second is extended ET services management automation. The automation is implementing automation provides relief to all working parties, resulting in the redundancy of the call volume, and the services takes be up to 30% or 50%, depending on the optimization of the ET staff. And this establishes a better impact on the service desk, gives a respite to the reduction of cost and increases productivity. 30 is aggregated ET chatbot support. The chatbot support is important of the EA, the new technology. EA gives its new quality standards chatbots can new access data and acknowledge articles. Create tickets with the ET service management system and the help user find the right support. This is a White Hat and the Hand White Goat program, who was all the necessary resources to establish a computational logic to hand write what is required. This help used to lower human demand on the repetitive attention and divert their work tasks with a greater impact of works. Okay, the next is the acknowledgement management. The acknowledgement management, the text, the short text is withholding and the organization information is very important to maintain these standards in order to have better working profitability. One is less staff turnover is very important. And second is IA has capabilities. The capabilities in the new technologies program the system. 30 increased effectivity, decreased costs. The cost is very important. Short in the impact in the cost in the job on in the work. 30 superior employment experiences is good experiences in the client of the person of work. 15 better uses of resources. 16 reduced duplication of effort. It's very important the focus in the job. Okay. Here my colleagues will explain.
Custom service. Take advantage of new technologies to make tasks that can be automated in order to have a higher performance, making easier the tasks of the client, improving the quality of the service together with the reduction of cost. Increased adoption of AI. IT is looking for the best performance when it comes to its customers, and this is advancing beliefs and bounds. The concept is that it has a greater representation by creating programs based on this instead of training to implement it ITSM, such as chatbots that can perform intelligent conversation with your customers, adding to the great perception thanks to its link with specific user data, can give the highest possible performance and quality. Revitalized IT efficiency. The efficiency that IT wants to reach after the pandemic expects to improve all aspects of its customer service by implementing new technologies and systems such as AI, ITSM, and ticketing with better performance, lower cost, and better quality, giving the best experience to both internal and external customers. Business Service Management. It is planned to improve human resource support by having a greater focus and using ITSM as a solution to enterprise service management. With this, a problem related to human resource support can be sent to a self-help portal in addition to providing them with the best working environment and equipment for the best possible performance and comfort for workers. Focus on the company. The ideal is always to find the best solution for the maintenance and development of the company. That's why since 2020, the use of IT tools is becoming more and more important for a company.
In conclusion, is the next text. Um, ECT and TE services management services are very important for the comparative development. We see how every day the technology gives and the substantial growth to it. The new EA give a better working environment and solutions, thus minimizing time and cost. This led us to see the importance of being at the forefront and not neglect the importance of establishing an organization management in ECT department. This is the web graphic, two web graphic, and the text and the link in internet. Thanks.